Hi. Yeah? Oh, yeah. What else do you know? What else? Really? Oh. Do you have something else to tell Mama? Oh, you love Mama? That's what I heard there. Yeah? What else? What else? Oh. Did you know that your shirt says you're flippin' adorable? Yeah? You know that? Are you getting tired? Yeah? Are you getting tired? Hi. Did you know that you're 3 months old? Did you know that? Yeah? What else do you have to tell me? You love Simon's cat? That's nice. What about Daddy? Do you love Daddy? Yeah? What about Mama? Yeah? Oh. Hi. Yeah?